हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द बायो लैब। सो अगर आपने मेरा पिछला वीडियो देखा है तो यू नो अबाउट द बायो लैब एंड मैंने क्यों ये चैनल स्टार्ट की। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क सम ऑफ द मोस्ट सर्च गूगल क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द डायटिशियंस। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Let's start with my cute aesthetic diary. Okay, I wrote all of the question in this diary. So at the first, there is a lots of question when it's come to this field. Is there respect in the Indian culture of the dietitian? It is okay to work in hospital? What are the salary packages? And so many questions. So I go through this all journey. I did my bachelor's and I'm currently pursuing a master's. I did the internships, jobs, and in India. So I have experience all of this. So I am giving your answer very truthfully, not any filter. Okay, I'm answering with you what I experience and very truth answers. Let's begin. So first question is that, can I become dietitian without NEET in India? Yes, you can. This is dietitian, the career are not in the medical. It is somehow in a paramedical, but it is not in medical. So anything comes in the paramedical you can give without the NEET. Dietetics, generally dietetics are belong to the home science, particularly at the family and community medicine department. So you can do the dietetics without NEET in India. How can I become a certified dietitian in India? So okay, so today in the era of the social media influenced dietitian, everyone's becoming dietitian. People do 1 month course, 2 month course and 3 month course and everything. Everyone's called them nutritionist or certified dietitians, what's or not. But the traditional path, or if you want to really do something bigger in this field, so you have to obtain the proper degree. So you have to first pass your 12th from the science, probably from the biology. Then you have to do the BSc in dietetics or nutritionist, or BSc in sports nutrition, BSc in food science, whatever you liked. After that MSc, and after the RD exam, the registered dietitian exam, that you have to crack it, so become a very certified Indian registered dietitian. All clear? Let's move to the next question. So there is a lots of interesting question. One question I come upon, it is what is better, the nursing or dietetics field in India? So dear, you asking your questions like left hand is important or right hand is important? Both hand is important. Both dietetics and nursing are both very important system of healthcare or medical systems. Both are very important in patients management and everything. So nursing has their own pros cons and dietetics have their own pros cons. Okay, whatever you do, if you have an interest in them, they become good for you. Okay, now we move to our maybe fifth question. Okay, already I answered this question, which entrance exam is needed for BSc dietetics. You don't need any exam for BSc dietetics. It's just based on your 12th merit, whichever college you choose. What are the best colleges in India for dietetics? Okay, so I did from the Gujarat, all my bachelor and masters. Okay, bachelor I did from the Surat, Vinarma South Gujarat University, and my master here I am pursuing from the Parul University. So for my perspective, and as of that, in Gujarat particularly, the MSU, Maharaja Sayajirao University, is the best university if you want to pursue a bachelor's in dietetics or nutrition career. And got admission in MSU is a little bit hard, my dear, because you have to crack their entrance exam. The merit list is top of that, and that so many things. But MSU in Gujarat. It's the best university from if you pursue to nutrition and dietetics. Outside Gujarat state, you can some of the university, government university I named, like SNTT University, Nirmala Niketan are the best university. Let's move to the next questions. By the way, this cute diary I bought from the Meesho. If you want to, I can paste the link in my description box. You can do. What are the difference between clinical and sports diet? Basically, the clinical who works in the clinics and the sport dietitian who works with the athletes and sports person. The different science, the clinical science and sports nutrition science. Which is okay, the one most important questions. Okay, can a dietitian open their own clinic? You can. So basically, to open a something clinic or hospital, you need a connection. You need a lot of patients that come there. Okay, पहले दिन ऐसा नहीं होगा आपने क्लिनिक खोल दिया और पेशेंट्स आ गए. अगर आपने हॉस्पिटल्स में प्रैक्टिस की है आपकी या जॉब की है तो ऑलरेडी आपका एक पेशेंट लिस्ट और कनेक्शन बिल्ड होगा डॉक्टर्स के साथ, अदर हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइडर्स के साथ, तो आपको क्लिनिक रन करने में ईजी रहेगा. सो माई सजेशन ओवर दैट, फर्स्ट डू द jobs in hospital, gain a knowledge and then start your clinic. It is better. Is the scope for dietitian in Indian hospital? Okay, now the real scenario come. All real versus reality here come in the hospitals. सो मैंने भी अपना जब बैचलर स्टार्ट किया था, आई एम लाइक इन द रियल रियलिटी कि आई वांट टू बिकम डाइटिशियन, हॉस्पिटल्स में काम करेगी, ऑल ऑफ दैट बहुत फेम मिलेगा, बहुत सारे एवरीथिंग. सो हॉस्पिटल्स आर लिटिल बिट बेटर फॉर द डाइटेटिक्स करियर. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कोई बैड एक्सपीरियंस होगा और सब कोई एवरीवन फेस दैट रेसिज्म, बट this is a truth that this dietetics field not getting the enough respect at a hospital. It depends. So I work with 2 hospitals from Surat. So both hospitals treated me well. Doctors, nurses, the few of them are very rude or whatever, but one of my colleagues had a very racism against that. They told that कि ये कौन सी फील्ड है, तुम क्या कर लोगी इस फील्ड में, ये तुम तो कहाँ मेडिकल में आती हो, तुम होम साइंस में आती हो, ये वाइट कोट पहन के क्या कर रही हो, मोस्ट ऑफ दैट. बट दिस इज़ द ट्रूथ दैट you have to face some of the things like that because this is the reality, I can tell. Okay, now what is the salary packages after the graduating? Okay, so after the graduating there is a lots of fields you can choose for to build your career on that. If you want to build a career in the hospitals, then it basically start with the 20,000 per a month and then it grow. Okay, so this is all the questions I answered. If you have any other question, if you want to know my personal journey, then you can comment down below and I'm very happy to answer. Thank you. Bye bye.